Okay, so over here it says it's going to take 1 hour 32 minutes. I don't have that time, so I'm just going to see. Okay, so it's heating up to 215 Celsius. I think that's actually the right temperature for PLA. I'm just gonna see the first couple layers and how it's looking. Okay, I'll be right back when it finishes first couple layers. Okay, so at this moment it is 3D printing. I think bolts or nuts. What I think is a nut. The nut and bolt thing that you can make. So it's actually pretty big. I'm just gonna put my finger next to it. So yeah, it's pretty big nut and bolt. But anyway, the first layer is turning out pretty well. So anyway, at this moment, I just took this off of the bed and I stopped 3D printing this. So as you can see, it looks pretty nice. There's a tiny bit of stringing, but that was just going in between the holes. That hole, like when I pulled off the bed. So actually, I just like ripped that off of the middle. But yeah, it looks great. So far, I'm loving this 3D printer so much. Quickly, I would just like to point out that I have made a Discord server, so I'll have the links down in the description and in the comments, so please subscribe. Now I'm just going to show you a small compilation of me taking the prints off the bed. Okay, so I just finished my second print on this printer, and it took about 2 hours, and I'm going to take it off. And it comes off super easily. So I'm just going to see how well it comes off. Okay, so I spent about 3 days printing things on my Prusa Mini, and the first one I made was this whistle, and this turned out amazing. It was with the Galaxy Black Prusa Mint. It came out so smooth, and it even works. The first print that I actually made, and so it came out really clean. So then I went on to making the second one. This I actually 3D modeled in Blender 2.8, or I sculpted it actually. And then the next thing I made was this lava monster, which is another thing that I created in Blender 2.8. You could actually get that over on CG Trader for $2 if you want to buy it. So this is the third thing that I made. I actually made the wireframe of the human head right there, and I like put a bunch of supports on it so it could hold up. It came out amazing. Okay, so after about a week of 3D printing, I've made a couple more things. So another thing that I made was this, and you might notice a lot of stringing, and it may not look super great. So I tried printing the whistle with the same filament, and there were actually a lot of layer lines. So I figured out that the filament wasn't good, and it wasn't a 3D printer. Okay, so that was the full phone holder right there, and right here is an Xbox controller that I made, and this print turned out amazing also. Here, I'm just going to show you what it holds. Like that. Okay, now coming over here, I made this. I made this for an alarm clock, and apparently it doesn't fit. So my skills of making things or designing them aren't great. But okay, so that was like a pretty big print right there. And then so the next thing I made was a big version of this, of the ice monster or lava monster, which actually surprisingly only took 6 hours to make. It's pretty good compared to my other one. And then I made a smaller version of that, and that's it.